Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete Instagram messages. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to delete Instagram messages. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your home page appears. Now at the top right corner you can see your message icon. Tap on that. Now here you can see the conversation of your friends. Now how to delete it? Firstly, you have to go to the conversation and then swipe to the right in this way, and then you can see the option of more. Tap on that. Tap on delete. Tap on again delete. You can see that I have easily deleted the message of my friend. In this way, you can also easily delete the conversation in your Instagram account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to delete Instagram messages. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos.